Today I'm going to show you an easy way to turn these 3 simple and natural ingredients into this amazing DIY honey banana hair mask. Hair masks are one of my favorite ways to take care of my hair. They just make my hair more shiny and silky, overall moisturized to allow for growth. This particular hair mask is great for those of you who have fine or thin hair because of the ingredients that we'll be using. After doing my homework, here's a rundown of some of the benefits and ingredients. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural proteins, oils, and vitamins, all of which are vital for natural hair growth and repair of dry or heat-damaged hair. The potassium, which the banana is known for, is good for strengthening and thickening fine hair, which is the main purpose of this mask. Next, we'll use honey, which is a natural softener and makes a great conditioner for your hair. It's rich in antioxidants and nutrients, and honey acts as an antibacterial, so it keeps the hair follicles clean and therefore allows new hair growth. Lastly, it's no surprise that castor oil is amazing for healthy hair growth. It promotes blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing and strengthening the roots. Continued regular use of it should definitely make your hair stronger and even longer, which is why I love to put it in all of my hair masks. Let's get started, and you'll want to use a blender or a hand mixer to puree the bananas so we don't have any chunks that are ultimately very hard to get out. Peel your banana and you want it to be nice and ripe or brown so it's much softer and easier to mush. I'm going to chop mine up into smaller pieces to make it easier for the hand mixer to blend. You really want to make the bananas as liquid-like as possible so the mask has a very nice consistency. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add 2 if you want some extra conditioning, but 1 works just great for me. Same goes for the castor oil, and I'm just going to drop in a tablespoonful here. Spend some time mixing it together, and you can see this is the nice, smooth consistency that you want. Make sure your hair is combed out and get ready to apply. You can use some sort of bigger paint or cooking brush if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but I'm just going to go for it. You want to fully cover your hair in the mask. Make sure to saturate the ends because this is usually the really dry part of your hair, but also don't ignore your roots. Whenever I do a hair mask or even just wash my hair, I make sure to massage the roots. This just improves circulation and growth. When you're finished, tie or clip your hair out of your face and leave the mask in for about 20 to 40 minutes, the longer the better, before rinsing it all out with shampoo and conditioner, and make sure to rinse thoroughly. As you've seen, this mask is completely natural and it smells like a smoothie, so it's truly a treat for your hair, not to mention it leaves your hair feeling thicker, fuller, and healthier. Try this mask out at home and let me know how you like it. Love you all, and I'll see you on my next video.